How to log in to Instagram using WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's start by opening our Instagram application. Once you are here, simply go to your profile on the bottom right and click on the hamburger icon on the top right corner. Once you are here, simply go for its settings. Here you have to go for the security under the supervision. Once you are here, you have to go for the two-factor authentication and click on get started. Now here you have to simply select the WhatsApp, which is saying we'll need you to enable SMS first, then we'll send a code to your WhatsApp. So simply turn this on. Now here you have to start by entering your phone number and it will send you a code. So you have to simply put that here. So once you are done, you have to put your WhatsApp number over here and click on next again. Now once you have put your WhatsApp number, the confirmation code will be on your WhatsApp. So simply put that again here. And there you go. So that's how basically you can log in Instagram using WhatsApp.